Welcome to the channel everybody, this is Sudhindra again, and in this video I want to highlight one OnePlus Nord issue that one of my cousins has encountered recently. I've taken my cousin's phone for unboxing, review and camera review. While I am editing those videos, I have encountered this issue. This photo was sent to me by my cousin. I'll be showing that photo to you right now, and I'll be keeping the photo on the screen as well. This will be a quick video and I just want to check if any other user is experiencing this. Sorry guys, this is not a clickbait video. If you are looking at it, the phone is stuck at 80% charge for about half an hour and it's still not moving, and the image clearly says plugged in, can't charge right now. I have used this phone for 4 days and the detailed review is coming this week. However, I quickly wanted to check if anyone else is facing this issue. If you are one of those who is facing this issue, you can let me know by leaving a comment. I also tweeted OnePlus on this, so you can go to my Twitter account, follow me and check OnePlus's response. I also want to highlight that earlier OnePlus phones also had this issue and OnePlus quickly resolved it by an OTA, and I'm sure OnePlus will do the same to Nord as well. However, the more people take this issue to OnePlus, the faster you will get an OTA. Well guys, my other videos of OnePlus Nord unboxing, a detailed review, detailed camera review, and more importantly this green tint issue video is coming in the next one and a half week. So please stay subscribed and ring the notification button so that you get notified the moment I post the video. Till then guys, stay hungry.